Ever wonder what makes Waterpik different? Our water flossers transform the power of water with precision pulse technology proven to deliver an effective combination of water pressure and pulsations, removing up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria that causes gingivitis, cavities, and bad breath. Waterpik water flossers are clinically proven to be up to 2 times as effective as string floss for improving gum health and are accepted by the ADA for safety and effectiveness. Waterpik precision pulse technology delivers better oral care for healthier gums and cleaner teeth.
Hey everyone, Sloan here from Ponte Family Reviews. Just taking some time today to review the Waterpik water flosser. I just wanted to demonstrate this product for you and just show you about the size. So it fits in the bathroom in the corner pretty well, right next to the plug. You get a little bit about the size there. There is a cord that comes out of the back of the machine and just plugs into a regular plug. This on top here is where you put the water to use the Waterpik, and you can just fill it up in your bathroom. And there are, and I'll go ahead and show you the features, but here's the settings. So it goes 1 to 10 there. And you can either choose the floss or the massage setting. So let's just go ahead and, so it's awesome because this has, the actual water flosser has a place where it just sits on the machine. So even though it has a cord, it's not annoying at all. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So this is the massage setting. Let's go ahead and go to the floss setting. So that's more consistent. And as you use the machine, you can go ahead and turn it up. So I'm just gonna give you, so that's number 6. We got pretty high pressure there. And let's go all the way to 10. Whoa, it's even just vibrating in my hand. So that gives you a pretty good idea. I'm gonna press power here of what this Waterpik water flosser does. So I hope you enjoyed this review today and got to see a little bit about how this works and what size it is. And if you could see there, it just turned off automatically by itself. Have an awesome day, everyone.